biggest, latest Bollywood blockbuster only on Eros Now.
दोस्तों फिल्म रांझना के लंदन टॉप फंक्शन में आप सबका स्वागत है।
तू हजार और शहनाई शोर तू मेरी ओर चल निकला चढ़ प्रेम लोर को दिल के चोर कर मेरी भोर अब मुझे दिखला रांझना हुआ मैं तेरा।
I think you should watch it. It's very beautiful and it's very. I don't think so. I've seen such a like beautiful script I've ever seen till now. For me, it is, and this movie is made from the heart, and I'm sure it's going to touch every audience also.
गांड फट गई. See you again.
The film chose me. I did not choose the script. The script chose me. It came to me. And I did not see this script or film as a Hindi film, a Tamil film, or Telugu film. I saw it as a film.
साले यही होगा तुम्हारे साथ.
मतलब?
अबे मतलब अगर अब भी नहीं बोले ना तो लड़की के वलीमे में फिर नहीं खाते दिखोगे.
When I met Dhanush, I think on the first go, I realized when I saw his film, I realized that he's the character. He's the right actor for this character.
I think there's a reason that he's been cast in this film. There's a reason that the script chose him, as he very rightly says. I think there is nobody who has that spirit that is as clean over here. There's a lot of innocence, and at the same time, there's a lot of love in the way he approaches everything.
It was tough, of course. There are a lot of sounds that's not there in Tamil. So I found it tough. I'm still finding it tough. Hopefully I'll live up to Anand sir's expectation and of course all of yours too.
मेरे पीछे बैठना पड़ेगा. मैं ब्रेक मारूं तो मेरे ऊपर गिरना पड़ेगा. गर्लफ्रेंड ना सही, फील ही दे दे.
Every character is difficult, but I think Zoya is the closest to what I am in real life, so it wasn't that tough. It was just about being honest.
कहानी जो कैरेक्टर्स को मांग रही है आपके सामने पहले लाना, मैं वो कर रहा हूँ. और मैं उसी तरह से अनफोल्ड कर रहा हूँ जिस तरह से मेरी फिल्म अनफोल्ड होगी. तो जब आप फिल्म अभी आप बहुत जल्दी अभय को भी देखेंगे और जब फिल्म में भी देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा कि ऐसा क्यों किया था मैंने.
Rahman sir is Ranjana, and what I wonder about him is how, like Madam asked me, how he strikes the balance. When you listen to a Tamil song, it will sound like a Tamil song. When you listen to a Hindi song, it sounds like a Hindi song. I don't know how he achieves that. It's really, really tough. One should know both cultures by heart to bring out this kind of perfection in his heart.
I remember I met him at a party and he was so modest. He says, "So what did you think of the music in Ranjana?" I was like, I can't believe you are asking me for your opinion. I think I'm just privileged and blessed that I have A.R. Rahman giving me music for my film.
चला हूँ तुम तक चलूँगा तुम तक मिला हूँ तुम तक मिलूँगा तुम तक तुम तक तुम तक तुम तक तुम तक तुम तक.
But she definitely deserves something like that. Her beauty definitely deserves something like that. पहला नशा पहला हुआ नया प्यार है नया इंतजार. That's it. I'll tell you one dialogue from the film, but you promise me you won't ask me to say anything more. Okay? You forget me.
Mwah!